Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Ananas. And today's lesson we're learning how to put sounds together. It's going to be very exciting. Before we start, can you say bonjour Ananas so she can help us out? Bonjour Ananas. Can you say it a little bit louder? Bonjour Ananas. Here she comes. There's Ananas. And Ananas, she's saying bonjour. She's a friend of our French class and she's going to help us with our sounds today. Let's get started, my friends, by choosing a color for our pointer, une couleur. Can you repeat the colors after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Which color would you like today? What was that? Noir? Okay, let's go with noir. So this is French with Ananas, and this is lesson 3.7, E sound. Leçon 3.7, son I. So my friends, before we start with our sounds, let's review our E sounds. Our E words. Here are all the words, the new words that you've been learning this lesson. So let's repeat them together, just to review. Can we do that? Yes, so nice and clear. Remember, my friends, wherever you're watching, if it's possible, try and repeat them out loud because you can learn them much quicker when you say them out loud. Citrouille, citrouille. Wapiti, wapiti. Radis, radis. Citron, citron. Coquelicot, coquelicot. Filet, filet. Tigre, tigre. Nid, nid. Ordinateur, ordinateur. Bijou, bijou. Wow, good job. Let's keep going. Iguane, iguane. Palmier, palmier. Kiwi, kiwi. Tapis, tapis. Panier, panier. Ski, ski. Ciseaux, ciseaux. Livre, livre. Biscuit, biscuit. Girafe, giraffe. Wow! Yay! That was our E sound words. Good job. So now we're going to learn, my friends, how we put the sounds together. So we're going to take letters of the alphabet and put them with the E sound and see what happens. So this letter makes the sound B, B, B. So when we put it with an E, what do we get? B. So together they make friends and they make the sound B. Bravo. Let's see if we can go down the alphabet. S, S, S. Avec un I fait si, si. Un D, D, D. Avec un I fait di, di. Good job. What's our next letter? F, F, F. Avec un I fait fi, fi. G, G, G. Avec un I fait gui, gui. Oh, do you remember this letter? The letter H? La lettre H? What is special about la lettre H? Do you remember? It doesn't make a sound. It does not make a sound. It only makes a sound when it's attached to C and then it makes the ch sound. But on its own, ash, ash doesn't make a sound. So we have no sound with a E makes E. That's all. I. Je, avec un I fait J, J. Oh, you're doing a great job. Keep going, mes amis. K, avec un I fait qui, qui. L avec un I fait lit, lit. M avec un I fait mi, mi. N avec un I fait ni, ni. P, p, p avec un I fait pi, pi. K, k, k avec un I fait qui. R avec un I fait ri, ri. S avec un I fait si, si. T, t, t avec un I fait ti, ti. V avec un I fait vi, vi. W avec un I fait oui, oui. X avec un I fait xi, xi. Y avec un I fait yi, yi. Z avec un I fait zi, zi. Bravo! You did the whole alphabet. C'est beau, les amis. Bravo! Oh, and we have, oh, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici, Ananas? Well, my friends at home, let's see what word this, what little two-letter sound makes two, wa, ah, 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 wa, ah, wa, ah. Wow, you did it! Yay! Bravo! Let's try another one. Two, oh, here we have two more letters, deux lettres with two different sounds. And let's see what happens when we bring them together. P, 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 avec un I. A little bit closer. P, avec un I. P, I, pi. Pi. Bravo. And we have we have another one. Here's two more letters with two different sounds. Let's see what these do together. T, 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 avec un I. Put them closer. T, avec un I. A little bit closer. T, I. You get tea. Tea. Oh, and what happens when you put them all together? Ensemble, together. Wa, pi, ti. Is that sounding like a word? Wapiti. 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 Do you remember what the wapiti was? Oui, you are correct. You are correct. That is a wapiti. Oh, and we have two more. Look. Instead of two letters. Ki avec oui. What happens when we put them together? Kiwi. 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 Do you remember what that word means? Kiwi? Yay! You are correct. It is a kiwi. Bravo, c'est un kiwi. Wow. Oh my goodness, you did a great job. We finish with une question. Une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Let's go get it. Dans mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Ananas, on va regarder dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Oh, it's a friend, un ami. Ananas friend. Oh, can you guess who the friend is? Begins with the E sound. Oh, c'est Iguane. Iguane. Can you say bonjour, Iguane? They are friends, des amis. Alors, les amis, I had a wonderful time today learning all about sounds and how to put them together. Did you have fun? I'm going to say goodbye for now, but I'll see you in the next lesson. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir.